Okay, so I'm on Pixabay here, and what I'm going to do is do a search for heart. And we're going to look for a heart. Let's change this to illustrations only instead of all images. There we go. And we're looking for something smooth with a nice background. Let's do this one. It has a transparent. Download, view. And we are going to copy that. We'll go into PROcreate, and we will start up a new image here, and we will paste that, and there's our heart. Let's give ourselves a few more layers. I'm going to grab a couple more images from Pixabay. The Colosseum here looks like it'll be nice. View that. Copy. Back to PROcreate. Make sure I'm on layer 2 and paste that. And I am going to do a fit to canvas on that. It goes beyond the canvas because I have magnetics turned on. But really this is what I want, so I'm good to go here. And then let's find something to fill that heart with. We'll go back into Pixabay. Come on, back into Pixabay. There you go. And, oh, that's a cutie little puppy dog. Let's go into the dog. The Australian Shepherd. We'll copy that. Go into here. We're on layer 3. That's a new one. We'll do paste on that. Now, if I take layer 1 and put it on top of layer 2, and I take layer 3 and do clipping mask, then that only fills in from layer 3 what's pictured on layer 1, so you can only color in that area there. It doesn't show anything else. So if I take this dog, I can move him around. I'm going to take the snapping and magnetics off so I can center him just the way I want. And then let's say I want to have a nice red halo underneath this. I will duplicate the layer 1, and on the duplicate, I do a Gaussian blur. And we got a nice red halo. All right. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.